अगर आपके आर्मी वालों को इतना कानून समझ में नहीं आता है तो लेट देम कम टू द कोर्ट, वी विल एक्सप्लेन देम दैट हाउ लॉ इज टू बी एनफोर्स्ड. You are harassing a poor person. We respect army personnel, but we will not allow them to tamper with the law.
Malord, they have filed the compliance report towards the compliance of Section 17B, Malord. But Malord, in fact, they are not properly complying the provisions of Section 17B, Malord.
क्या कर दिया?
Malord, as per the judgment of Honorable Apex Court in the case of Ghanshyam versus Dena Bank, Malord, the petitioners are liable to comply the provisions of Section 17B from the date of award, Malord. Whereas, Malord, they have filed the compliance report. May kindly come to Malord. Page number 6, Malord.
Page number 6 of
They have filed the chart, Malord. They are complying the provisions,
which
Malord. Of
page number 6 of what?
page number 6 of the compliance report, Malord.
This is IA 18324, Lordship.
18324 or 1785? Compliance to
This was filed.
Malord, 1785 filed by me, Malord.
Yeah,
For
अच्छा,
compliance of
अच्छा.
Section 17B.
18324. Yes.
Next
इसका
page number 6, Malord.
जी.
Serial number 4, Malord.
जी.
The respondent name is there. They are complying the provisions of Section 17B from with effect from 1/12/2022, and they have made the payment on 17th of May 2023, Malord. Whereas, Malord, the award of the labor
सैनिक
code,
स्कूल रीवा पेमेंट डिटेल्स,
Malord.
ये पेज 5 है. पेज नंबर 6,
6, sir.
सीरियल नंबर 6. यू आर मोहनलाल.
Mohanlal, sir.
मोहनलाल.
The effective date of order of 17B is 1/11/2022.
11/22 कैसे हो जाएगी ये इफेक्टिव डेट, थोड़ा बताइएगा. अवार्ड की डेट क्या है?
अवार्ड की है सर 24/3/2022.
24/3/2022.
2022.
तो फिर ये डेट कैसे आ जाएगी 1/11?
Lordship.
Who's your officer
My
in
humble
charge?
submission, Lordship.
Who's your officer in charge?
Lordship.
Let this colonel remain personally present. Let him explain.
Lordship, we will comply with.
Then you are not going to oblige us.
No, no.
You will comply it with interest, with 12% interest.
Lordship, may.
For delay, you will pay interest.
Lordship, may I submit,
No.
Lordship? Lordship, this.
You are cheating a poor man. Let your colonel remain present and answer queries of this court. That how they have calculated this date.
No, let me, Lordship.
Huh.
Let me. Speak instruction.
बताइए.
Lordship, I will, Lordship, verify whether.
No, you are not required to verify. When the date of the award is 24/3/22, then how can you say that the effective date is 1/11/22? Let your
Perhaps, Lordship, this is that is order for 17B, which has been passed by this honorable
what is the law?
This-
What is the law?
During the pendency of the proceeding before High Court, the employee is required to make payment of.
Then, अगर
last
आपके
pay.
आर्मी वालों को इतना कानून समझ में नहीं आता है तो लेट देम कम टू द कोर्ट, वी विल एक्सप्लेन देम दैट हाउ लॉ इज टू बी एनफोर्स्ड.
Lordship,
यू आर हैरेसिंग अ पुअर पर्सन.
that is-
You make compliance within 3 days. लिखिएगा श्री Sogara undertakes to make compliance of the orders of the tribunal dated 24/3/22 with effect from 24/3/22 within 3 days from today, and report compliance along with the payment receipt, failing which respondent OIC Colonel Avinash Rawal shall remain personally present. List on 9th January 2024, top of the list.
May I humbly submit, Lordship? It may be taken up next week,
No,
Lordship.
no. So next week ही तो है 9th January.
On 12th, it's
9. Your officers should know
Lord.
that they cannot play with the court.
Certainly, Lord. That is our.
Yes.
I will make it.
We respect army personnel, but we will not allow them to tamper with the law.
May I humbly
Next,
submit?
sorry.
I'm-
पेमेंट करके लाइएगा.
Lordship.